So we are at one of the branches of Sycamore Falls. It's kind of cool. It's half frozen, half running. So now we are at the other fork of the Sycamore River. This is the other set of falls. They're flowing, not roaring, but they're flowing. This one is, like the other one, half flowing, half frozen. So if you can actually cross the creek up there above the falls and get to the other side over there, and if you walk down here, it's actually the beginning of Sycamore Canyon. Much more of a view around the bend. So there's this trail that goes all the way around Sycamore Rim. It's called the Sycamore Rim Trail. It's 11 miles round trip. We'll have to do it someday. Today we just came down to see if the waterfalls were flowing. There's Russ. So this area is also known as Paradise Forks. And Paradise Forks is actually a world-renowned rock climbing area. And you can probably see why by those rocks on the opposite side of the canyon here. On a good day, mostly summer days, you can actually see the rock climbers climbing the rocks. So we're being very picky and choosy about the routes we take. It is quite icy up here, snow covered. So we don't want to get anywhere near the edge. It's a pretty narrow canyon right here, but it's pretty steep also. So I'm actually just walking over here to show you the beginning of Sycamore Canyon. There you go.